guys, welcome back to my channel Riktika'z tutorial. I know I have not able to upload videos for so long time due to some problems, but now I am back with a variety of videos for you guys. So you already know today's video topic. Yes, today video is a skincare video. Today I am sharing with a product that will definitely help you reduce your skin problems like wrinkles, acne spot, dullness, etc, etc. So if you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and share with your friends and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon and you will get notification of all my videos. So let's start without wasting time. So the product I will be sharing with you today is a 3% hyaluronic acid from MYGLAMM. Yes, we all know how much hyaluronic acid helps in solving our skin problems. So this is one product that will surely helps you. So I have been using it for more than 1 month and I have seen its benefits. Honestly, I have a lot of acne problems and also acne scars. When I started using this, I saw that my acne problems gradually reduced and also saw that my acne scars disappeared and my skin becomes soft and plump. This product is a genuine product. I love this product, and also this product is paraben free, mineral oil free, and it's scientifically tested and it can be used by all skin type. So I think it helps you. That's why I'm sharing with you. Price of the product is 699 to use. First you need to clean your face with face wash or toner and you apply 2 to 3 drops of hyaluronic acid on your face and gently massage your face and wait for 1 to 2 minutes. For the first result, you can use it regularly at day and night and you will get relief from skin problems. So you see how natural this product is. No artificial color have been added. So it is very beneficial for the skin. So guys, you know how to use it. So if you want to buy this product, I will share the link in my description so you can find it easily. So see you soon in the next one. Bye bye.